how to add an Instagram link to YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you first how to copy your Instagram profile link and then add it to your YouTube channel so that it shows up both on your YouTube homepage like this, and then also it'll show up in the description of every video that you post on YouTube with a nice Instagram logo. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, the first thing we need to do is copy the link to our Instagram profile. And we can do that by simply navigating to Instagram.com, logging into our account, and then selecting profile in the left menu. Once you get there, you'll be on your Instagram profile, and all you need to do is go up to the address bar and copy that address because this is the link to our Instagram profile. From there, go to youtube.com and log into your account, and then go up to the top right and select your channel profile icon, and then go down and select YouTube Studio. This will bring you to the YouTube Studio, and what we need to do is go in the left menu and then select Customization. From there, scroll down, and near the bottom under your channel URL, you'll see links. Go ahead and select Add Link, and then we can paste the URL that we copied from Instagram under URL, and then give it a title. I'm just going to write Follow Me on Instagram. Now all you need to do is select Publish in the top right. Once you select Publish, go ahead and select your channel icon right here, and that'll open up your channel. You can now see that the Instagram link is on my YouTube homepage, and when I load any video, at the bottom of my description will be the link to my Instagram profile. And that's how you add an Instagram link to your YouTube channel. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out.